Welcome friends. Today we are going to solve this series sum problem. As you people can see, I have written the problem on the screen, and now I would like to request you people to give the problem a try at first and then come back to see the solution. Okay, let's begin. When we are given a series and we have to find the sum of the series, we first need to consider the general term of the series. It will help us in our procedures. So what will be the general term in this case? Let the general term be an, and say it will become something like n 2 to the power n by n plus 2 factorial. See, when we put n equals to 1, it is results as 1 into 2 by 3 factorial. When we put n equals to 3, it results simply as 3 into 2 to the power 3 by 5 factorial, and so on. Now we can make a little adjustment. We can write it like this. Okay, just adding 2 and minus 2. Now we can multiply and separate those two things like this, and this is say 2 and n plus 1, so 2 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 2 factorial. See, this n plus 2 and this n plus 2 will cancel out, and it will result something as n plus 1 factorial and minus 2 to the power n plus 1 by n plus 2 factorial. Okay, now if we put n equals to 1, what will be the result? The result is simply 2 to the power 1 by 2 factorial minus 2 square by 3 factorial, right? So when we put n equals to 2, what will be the result? Result will be say 2 square by 3 factorial, 2 plus 1 3 factorial, and this thing will become simply 2 to the power 3, and it results as 4 factorial. So you can see this thing and these things cancel out. Now if we look at our main problem or main series, it is given this like this: 2 divided by 3 factorial, 2 cube divided by 4 factorial, 3 into 2 cube by 5 factorial. Look at our this case, it is 2 by 2 factorial minus 2 square by 3 factorial. So what can you say about this? That 2, what will be the 2 factorial? Simply 2 minus 2 square by 3 factorial means say 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3, right? So what will be the result? 1 by 3. So that is the first term. The first term is written quite different. It is 1 by 3, sorry, 2 by 3. So 2 by 2, so it is 1 minus 2 by 3, so it is 1 by 3. Now we have to find the sum up to the 15th term. So carry on up to this thing, carry on with these procedures, and when we put n equals to 15, it simply results as, according to the formula, 2 to the power 15 15 plus 1 16 factorial minus 2 to the power 15 plus 2, sorry 15, let me see the formula first. 15 plus 1, that is 16, 2 to the power 16 by 17 factorial, and all these things are nothing but simply a1, a2 and so on. Now we have to find this sum, right? So if we find this sum, that is a1 plus a2 dot 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 up to a15, see only two terms will left out, that is this term and these terms, they simply cancel each other out, and similarly it will goes on, and it will goes on like these terms cancel out and these terms cancel out. So the first term and the last term will left out. What will the first term? The first term is simply 1 and the last term is this 2 to the power 16 minus 17 factorial. So this is the answer. Thank you.